Hey folks, I'm Chris, and today I have a short pours review of Nikka from the Barrel Whiskey. Nikka is a Japanese whiskey owned by the Asahi Group. And what I find really interesting is the original founder actually went to the University of Glasgow back in 1918. I believe he studied organic chemistry and distilling. And then he went on to apprentice at 3 different distilleries in Scotland. This whiskey in particular is a blend of more than 100 different batches of malt and grain whiskies. And similar to the blend of grains, they also use different casks, so bourbon barrels, sherry, and more. We're looking at 51.4% here, which should give it an intense and probably concentrated flavor. So let's give it a pour. Color-wise, it's really bright, sort of like a light gold or an old gold. On the nose, it is full of warmth, definitely getting a little bit of oak, but nothing too strong. Some vanilla, a little bit of floral. And the complexity of the blend definitely comes through, even maybe with a bit of fig and some fresh fruits, quite a bit of spices. I'm even getting something like a sweet orange. So even though it's 51.4%, it is much smoother than I was expecting. The texture has a silky warmth going on, but it's still really full-bodied. The spice on the nose comes through even stronger here, with lots of spice and a little bit of toffee, and maybe even some honey. There's a bit of vanilla, which is kind of balanced with a nice subtle fruitiness. There are definitely notes of dark cherries, a bit of dark chocolate. It finishes extremely long. Maybe a bit of oak and some more spice at the end. The punchiness of this, I would love to pair with something like a fatty beef short rib. Final thoughts here. Where I live in Canada, this goes for about $70 right now. So for under $100, I think this is a must buy to have on your shelf. Also, it is such a cool little bottle, I think it would be a really fun gift too. In comparison, something in the similar price range as a blend would be maybe the Chivas 15-year, which would be a slightly larger bottle, but also a little bit more expensive, around $85. If you know someone who might like this Japanese whiskey, send them this video to check it out. Let me know your thoughts below, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much.